Hello Aries, I'm so excited to do this reading for you and to find out what's in store for you for June 2020. We'll be using tarot and oracle cards to get to the spot, to get to the point, and to see what's in store for you. So let's start. Let's start with the tarot cards first. So we have Queen of Cups in reverse, King of Wands in reverse, and Six of Wands in reverse. So this tells me that there is some issue with your inner power. It could be the emotional drive, it could be some sort of emotional codependency. Your emotions are out of control, you've given your power to others, others are telling you what to do, they're advising you. And instead of stepping up to be the king, to be the boss that you are allowing others to decide what is right for you. You could be a creative visionary, but it's time for you to now step up in your role as a leader. And this card also tells me that in the month of June, you'll be achieving something. It could be a personal or a significant personal achievement, an achievement on a personal level. It could be over your emotions, or you could be reclaiming your power, or it's just some milestone that you still don't want to share with the world. Maybe you lack the confidence right now, or maybe it's so personal that you don't feel like sharing it with the world. Whatever the achievement is, be assured that many more achievements are on their way in June. This is a card of achievements and celebration and success. You'll be having lots of followers and people around you, supporters to support you in every step. They will be cheering for you. And right now, even if you are angry or frustrated, you need to reclaim your power and you need to communicate effectively. Whatever your goal is, your mission is to your people, your family, your co workers, your juniors, so that everyone knows what exactly is the common goal. And once things and instructions are communicated effectively, everyone will use their fullest potential, their highest potential to reach that common goal, and that cumulative and collective energy will result in success, which is predicted for you in June. Regarding your emotions, you are a fire sign, but your emotional drive right now is literally driving you crazy. You could be helping a lot of people but getting very little in return, or you could simply be connected with people so that you find some importance in their life. Whatever the issue is, set boundaries and know that yes, you will help people, but there has to be a limit. And it's not that once you help people, you will take on their emotional baggage. You are not ready for that and you do not want that. So create boundaries around that. The need of the hour here in June is to retreat, go on a retreat, find some quiet time for yourself, write down whatever comes in your mind, do things that you like, and show a little detachment with people just to protect your emotional well being. You are a family person, you are a compassionate, caring, loving person, you want to help people, and you genuinely care for everyone from your heart. But now is the time to be a little detached, to go on a retreat and set boundaries so that when you step onto your leadership role, you have all the energy to move forward and celebrate your achievements. Your emotions should not drain your energy right now, and if they are draining your energy, be sure to fill your cup until you feel rejuvenated. So you can meditate, you can listen to light music, you can connect with someone who adds value to your life. Also, in this situation, if you're not able to take decisions, or if you think you need a second or a third opinion, you can very well go for someone who has great leadership skills and they can help you at the moment, and then you can reclaim your power. But do not be rude or angry at this time because things will only get worse. So, the tarot cards say that in June there is celebration, there is reclaiming your own power, and winning over your emotions. Maybe that is your victory, that is your personal achievement, that is the milestone that you will be able to achieve in June. That is balancing your emotions. So, what a beautiful reading. Let's go over to the oracle cards. Inner authority. So, this card also says that it's time to recognize your own worth, your self worth, and reclaim your power. Let your inner authority shine. This card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for supporting me as I take back my power and listen to my intuition, desires, and feelings. So, you could be getting a lot of intuitive messages right now. Your emotional state of mind could be on an overdrive, but it's very hard to listen to your intuition because you are wrapped up in your emotions and those of other people. So, it's time to listen to your intuition, and you can do that by going on a retreat, by taking some time out for yourself during the day, and you can write down, maintain a journal, you can listen to guided meditation, or you can listen to soft music, whatever gives you peace of mind. And once you step back and relax, you'll get a lot of ideas and guidance about what next steps to take, and then when you come back, you'll be back with your inner power and confidence, and you can walk ahead confidently on your path to success. The next card here is Step Out of Your Comfort Zone, North Node. So I feel that whatever is going on was meant to be, because you're heading towards something which feels like destiny. The North Node is a point in your birth chart which is a karmic point. It shows you what you're supposed to do in this lifetime, what will give you satisfaction, happiness, and what is your true desire. So, if you're inquiring or if you've been wondering about your life purpose, then be assured that what you're going through right now was meant to be. It will be helpful for you in the long run. You might not realize it right now, you might be frustrated, you might be angry, you might be emotionally little unstable right now, little frustrated right now, but be assured that this path will make you realize a lot of things about people, about yourself, and it will help you reclaim your power. Once you are able to win over your emotions, you can win anything in life. And this phase is just here to teach you that. Also, success is very near. So, all you have to do is face your fears, and once you're able to face your fears, you will be able to come out of your comfort zone. So, comfort zone is a very comfortable place. We don't want to come out of that, and we don't want to take risks. But once you face your fears, once you take that one initial step, the rest of the battle will be won in no time. So challenge yourself to take a new direction, to take a new path, to try something new, to reclaim your power, and also direct people what exactly they should do, they need to do. And I'm sure, being a fire sign, you're a great leader, you're curious, you're inventive, you're inquisitive, you lead by example. And this could be an emotionally weaker time for you, but don't take it personally or don't take it to heart. It is meant to teach you to be stronger than ever. The last card here is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. So third chakra is located just above your navel. It's called the solar plexus chakra also, and it deals with emotions of desire and life force. So you being a fire energy, you are supposed to lead by example, lead by fire, and march forward. But this emotional energy right now could be hampering that. But Archangel Chamuel is helping you. He's holding your hand along your path, and he's guiding you. He's blessing you with that life force energy so that you can do whatever you want, and you can allow yourself to do whatever you want. So he's blessing you here, and you will find that soon your life will become more enthusiastic. You will become more enthusiastic about something. Maybe if you want to get your achievements out there in the world, you'll achieve a lot of compliments and rewards for that, and that will give you another kind of confidence. And overall, June will help you come out of your emotional state to reclaim your power and be the person that you always were. So this is an amazing reading, Aries. I wish the best for you, and I hope soon you will achieve lots of achievements. And that's it from my side. If you like my reading, please do like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button for more future updates about my videos. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. See you soon again. Bye bye.